Introduction. Hey, Money Insight Squad. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of cryptocurrency. Whether you're a curious beginner or looking to dip your toes into digital assets, this video is for you. I'll guide you through the basics, how to get started, and what you need to know. But before we jump in, don't forget to hit that like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe for more insightful content. Let's explore the fascinating realm of cryptocurrency. 1. What is cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrency, or crypto, is a decentralized form of digital currency that uses cryptography for secure financial transactions. Unlike traditional currencies, it operates on a technology called blockchain. Now, let's break that down. 2. Basics of blockchain. At the core of cryptocurrencies is the blockchain. Think of it as a decentralized, transparent ledger that records all transactions across a network of computers. This technology ensures security, transparency, and immutability. 3. Popular cryptocurrencies. There are thousands of cryptocurrencies out there, but let's focus on a few of the most popular ones. Bitcoin, BTC, the first and most well-known cryptocurrency. Ethereum, ETH, known for its smart contract capabilities. Ripple, XRP, a digital payment protocol for fast and low-cost transactions. 4. How to get started. Now, let's talk about how you can get started in the world of cryptocurrency. Create a wallet. Choose a reputable wallet to store your cryptocurrencies securely. Choose an exchange. Platforms like Coinbase, Binance, or Kraken allow you to buy, sell, and trade cryptocurrencies. Educate yourself. Take the time to understand the market, risks, and different investment strategies. 5. Security tips. Security is paramount in the crypto world. Use two-factor authentication. Add an extra layer of security to your accounts. Back up your wallet. Safeguard your funds by regularly backing up your wallet's private keys. Stay informed. Keep up with the latest news and developments in the crypto space. 6. Common terms. Before you dive in, familiarize yourself with some common terms. HODL. Holding onto your cryptocurrencies for the long term. FOMO. Fear of missing out. Altcoins. All cryptocurrencies other than Bitcoin. 7. Conclusion. And there you have it, a beginner's guide to cryptocurrency. Remember, the crypto world is dynamic and can be both exciting and volatile. Take your time, do your research, and only invest what you can afford to lose. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more insightful content. Until next time, happy investing in the world of cryptocurrency. Outro. Did you enjoy this journey into the world of crypto? Hit the like button. Want more content like this? Share it with your friends. And for the latest insights on making money, subscribe to Money Insight. Until next time, happy investing.